In this figure, L and M are two parallel tangents to a circle. This is a tangent L and this is a tangent M, which are parallel to a circle. With center O, we have given these things that there are two tangents going parallel through a circle and the center of the circle is O, touching the circles at point A and B. So first tangent L is touching at point A and M tangent is touching at point B. Another tangent is C intersect the line L at D and M at E. So there's another tangent with the C which intersects the line at L at D point and M at E point. We need to prove that the angle DOE equals to 90 degree. So from this circle we have, from this equation, from this figure, we have to prove that this angle O, D and E or DOE equals to 90 degree. We have three tangents passing through this circle and we need to prove this angle as 90 degree. So in order to do that, we need to do some constructions. What constructions we can do? We can join this angle. So we are just implementing a perpendicular through the center of this circle to this tangent. And earlier we have studied that a tangent perpendicular through the radius of the circle is always perpendicular to the radius. So from here we can say that OC is perpendicular to ED, this tangent. Okay, let's look at the solution now. So we have given, we know that what we have given, what we have to prove, we know that. So we have to do the constructions. So let's look at the proof now. Since we have drawn this line over here which is perpendicular to the tangent ED, so here what we are saying, that angle ODA, this angle ODA, this angle, and let me just make it more clear for you. Here it is saying that angle ODA, angle OD and A and angle ODC, angle ODC, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. In this angle we can say that OA and OC are equal because they are radius of the circle. OA, here we can say that OA and OC both are equal because they are radius of the circle. And AD and DC, AD and DC, they are also equal due to the common properties of length of tangents drawn from an external point of the circle. This is the property, this is the theorem. From that we can say these points are also equal. DO equal to OD because these are the common sides, DO and OD, they both are equal. So we can say that angle ODA is equal to angle ODC due to the congruency criterion. It is a rule that two triangles can be equal to each other if they have some similar properties. We have three similar properties in these triangles. So from this rule we can say that these triangles are equal to each other. So now let's look at the angle DOA and angle COD. Similarly, triangle OEB and triangle OEC and angle EOB and angle EOCOE. OAB is diameter of the circle. OAB is the diameter of the circle, hence it is a straight line. So from that we can say that the sum of these four angles is equal to 180 degree. And from equation number 1 and equation number 2, we have from equation number 1 and from equation number 2, we have the sum also equal to 180 degree. So when we will add these, it becomes 2 times angle, 2 becomes common and we can say COD. From 2 we can cut 180 degree to 90 degree. and angle COD plus COE, that becomes angle DOE, that is equal to 190 degree, hence proof.